All right, let's try a word problem. Rob and his sister baked 12 cupcakes. If Rob and his sister ate 2/3 of the cupcakes, of the 12 cupcakes, how many did they eat? All right, so we're looking for how many did they eat. And we know that he had 12 cupcakes, that they baked 12 cupcakes. And we also know that they ate 2/3 of the cupcake. I had to pull that 8. They ate 2/3 of the 12 cupcakes. All right, now there's two ways of doing it. Let's look at the visual way, and then we'll look at the algorithm way. So we're going to look at 2/3 of the 12 cupcakes. All right, so first of all, let's look at a box. Here's a box, and we're going to put 12 cupcakes in that box. All right, let's see. You know what we're going to do? I'm going to make it strawberry cupcakes because that's my favorite. So I'm going to put 12 strawberry cupcakes in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, got weird on the frosting over there, but it's okay. So I've got 12 cupcakes. Now, once I got the 12 cupcakes, we're going to take those 12 cupcakes, and he ate 2/3 of them. Rob and his sister ate 2/3 of them. So we have to cut them into thirds. Thirds. We're cutting all the cupcakes into, we're cutting the whole box into thirds, 3 sections. So if I cut it into 3 sections, all right, there's got 3 sections. Now notice there are 4 cupcakes in each section because 12 divided by 3 gives me 4 cupcakes in each section. Now, we also know that they ate 2 of those thirds. So I'm going to highlight 2 of those thirds. So we just highlight 2 of those thirds. All of those is what they ate. They ate 2 of those thirds. Now, what I want to look at is this. Let's count up the number of cupcakes that they ate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cupcakes did they eat? They ate 8 cupcakes. They ate 2/3 of 12 is 8. Now there's a shortcut. It all has to do with this word right here, of. And it's not every of. It's a piece of something. So if he ate 2/3 of something, all right, when you're taking a part of something, that of means to multiply. If I'm taking 2/3 of something, that of means to multiply. But only multiplication when there's a part in front. We're taking 2/3 of it. So if you have a fraction in front of the of, or a percent in front of the of, or a decimal in front of the of, that means to multiply. So we're going to take 2/3 of 12. All right, well, let's finish solving it from here. How do you write 12 as a fraction? 12 over 1. Then I'm going to cross simplify. Well, I'm not going to cross simplify yet because you haven't learned that yet. But I'm going to multiply straight across. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now notice I divided by 3, and notice I divided into thirds. And I also multiplied by 2 because I have 2 sections. So I multiply straight across, divide by 3, and I get 8. So what told me this was a multiplication problem? When I have a piece of something. If I'm taking a piece or a part of something. Whenever you have a part of something, a piece of something, that of tells you have to multiply. But only, not every of, it's got to have a piece. It has to have either a fraction or a percent or a decimal in front of the of. All right, let's try some of those problems. Oh, if you ever see, and it just says 2/3 of the cupcakes, well, find out how many cupcakes there are. For example, let me erase that 12. Let me get rid of it. If it says 2/3 of the cupcakes, 2/3 of the cupcakes, and it doesn't tell you a number there, well, they more than likely tell you it's somewhere else. So sometimes if the number's not here, they'll tell you what the something is somewhere else in the problem. So that's a hint on the next problem. All right?